Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade and welcome to week number 3 of FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. So there are 4 weekly prizes and then 1 grand prize winner. So this is week 3's question that has to be answered by January 19th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the winner will be posted next Tuesday, January 21st. Now, all the the winner's answers you must submit to me via email at fphandmade@gmail.com. I'll show this again in a moment. So if you've been following along, you had there will be a grand prize winner, but you have had to answer every week's question. But you can be late with the answer for the weekly question. You just will miss that week's drawing. But just be sure to make sure you get your answer in for each week so you can be included in the grand prize drawing. Hope that was clear as mud. So, week number 3. Now, this is going to be a little harder, but I think you can get it. Halloween Card Share 2024. Who did I say looked like an orderly who put on a jacket? Halloween Card Share 2024. Who did I say looked like an orderly who put on a jacket? And the answer is due by January 19th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the winner will be posted January 21st. All answers must be submitted to fphandmade@gmail.com. fphandmade@gmail.com. Good luck. Like I said, this is a little harder. I can't wait to see those answers rolling in. Talk to you soon. Bye.